Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. We are playing. Let me see, turn around. The one in the middle.
Is it?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yes. Tata's coming.
me.
I know. Ahorita me alcanzas tú y me dejas atrás.
Que no.
Siempre me dejas atrás.
Si me esperas, te voy a esperar para ti.
Ok, aquí te espero. ¡Abras! ¡Ey!
Okay.
¿Y ahora qué? What the?
Mommy!
Wait, what?
So, because you fly, you're gonna fly.
So I just stay in space in
In the thing
In-
right there in the corner. Like, don't go to the corner. Just
Girl.
stay there. You keep walking straight. And, yeah. You feel it.
Got it. I'm here, Gata.
Okay.
¿Y ahora? Oh, the leaves.
These are leaves.
Yeah.
It does not look like leaves.
Mm-hmm.
Whee! Someone just fell. Oh, I hate these.
Oh, me too.
I did it. You want me to do it for you?
No, I got the last one.
Mami,
Mm.
espérame, que yo te esperé. Espérame, ma.
Aquí te espero. ¿Ya vienes?
These are flowers or eggs?
I think flowers. I don't
I'm
know.
pretty sure they're both. Oh, I don't know.
Ah, yo te sigo porque yo no sé cómo hacer eso. ¿Tú sabes cómo?
I know what to do this.
Which one? How do you know?
You just put your like zoom out and then put your camera.
How?
Like how you know how you zoom in?
Mm-hmm.
You just go like this and if it goes down, well it's not down. If it goes like if it's like that,
Oh, then it's that one.
yeah.
Oh,
Smart.
you're smart.
Oh, good answer. I hate these words.
You know what I don't like? That they don't have checkpoints.
Oh, they don't have checkpoints?
No.
They probably have a checkpoint like at the very ending
Pues
basically.
ya pa' qué.
Yeah, like the... I hate these. How do you do that?
Girl, I don't know. I fell. No me quiero caer.
No!
Got it.
Hear me? ¿Me ayudas?
A ver, dame.
I can't do it. Don't drop me to the bottom.
Oh, this thing is too big.
I don't want to use it.
How do I zoom out?
Or you could take that out.
What does that mean?
Like if it goes with something. Oh!
Got her.
Ice cream. On a small. Checkpoint.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay, quítate. Psycho, get it. Did I get it?
I think so. Okay, we just won. Just one. Just one. Mami, te vas a caer.
Oh my gosh.
Casi me caí para mero abajo.
Yo me caí.
It's okay, you have the checkpoint.
Okay.
Just reset.
Yeah. Fine. Ay, I got scared.
Don't worry, we have checkpoints. See? We go flying. Oh la la, French fry. Oh, I think he disappeared. Just don't look back and just hurry.
What are you talking about?
Mommy, don't go up. There's a secret pass. A checkpoint, I think?
What?
Yeah, to the side.
¿Pero qué es?
I don't know, but just check. It gave me a bag.
I don't want a badge. Why would I want a badge?
I don't know. Pero yo te voy a esperar aquí. Aquí estoy, no. But hey, the badges are good. And probably a checkpoint. These look like kiss marks.
A lips.
Yeah, like lips. I kind of want another checkpoint here. Oh, I did it.
I don't like these ones.
Why? ¿Cuál es?
These ones.
Those?
Mm-hmm.
Or the ones that you have to fly?
No, this one.
Mm. You passed me?
Mm-hmm.
Wait for me. Espérame, ma.
Okay, over here.
Girl, you can't just allow her to waiting.
We're almost there.
Daddy, come here. ¿Te espero?
No, dale.
I hate these.
Oh, because these move.
Yeah. Don't touch the line. Okay, wait for them. Wait. They disappear, muchacha.
They did?
Yes.
No.
And you just... We made it! We got a badge. That's all we get. A badge.
Yay! Where am I flying?
I don't know, but you can take a picture.
I don't know, but I finished.
Yeah, okay, take a picture with me. Oh, what the? You didn't teleport it where I am.
I don't know.
Okay, wait, hold on.
No, I don't see you.
Okay, we'll do a different one. Hi. Let's do the one on the side.
Bye, you guys.